Hi. Now to explain me now is explain to me the project.
Of course, so the main idea of the project was to create a tool that automates the analysis of user reviews. Basically, the company wants to spot bugs or issues faster. So we use a Python backend with Fast API to read and analyze the review data from Excel files. The front end is simple, just vanilla JS, so the app stays lightweight. I'm especially proud of how the backend orchestrates all the steps, and we also let the company compare results by analyzing reviews in their original language.
Okay, so what do you say is a feature or thing that you are more proud of that project?
I'd say the feature I'm most proud of is the backend logic. It coordinates the whole process, handling the file uploads, managing the review analysis, and even deciding whether to analyze in the original language or after translation. It's what gives the app its flexibility and power.
But give me a some more specific function or thing that you are proud of.
User Of course, one specific thing I'm proud of is how the backend orchestrates the AI analysis step. After reading the reviews, it calls the LLM API when available, but if it's not, it falls back to a keyword-based engine. This ensures the tool always gives useful results, even without an external API.
Okay, so for this specific project, we don't use external API, so what do we use?
Exactly. Instead of relying on an external API all the time, it's common words and patterns from the reviews, so we still get insights even if we don't have the LLM API available.
So what library or thing that are we using to do that?
We're using pandas to handle the Excel files, and for the keyword analysis, we built a simple custom logic with Python standard libraries, like collections for counting words. So no external AI API is required at all.
So for the translation, tell me all about the libraries that we're using and the thing that they are doing.
For translation, we're using a simple API wrapper that connects to a translation service. The library we use handles sending the text, caching results so we don't hit the API too often, and then returns the translated output. It's a lightweight solution, so it doesn't add too much complexity, but still gives us reliable translations.
Okay, so tell me something about more about the project. Talk me.
Sure, the project is basically a tool that helps the company streamline how they analyze user feedback.
But
After
but
uploading
give me another answer. Talk about something else.
Excel file, of course, another aspect of the project is the design. I focused on a clean enterprise-style layout, dark sidebar, white cards, and a minimalist look. This makes it easy for users to navigate and focus on the insights. It's also fully responsive, so it works well on both desktop and mobile.
So tell me something else about it.
Sure, another important part is how we structured the front-end code. Each JavaScript module is self-contained, so we keep everything organized. This makes it easier to maintain and add new features later, since each part
But be more
has a clear
profound and the tell me every aspect about backing. I don't know. Tell me. Be specific.
Absolutely. The backend is built with Fast API, so it handles all the REST endpoints. The main.py file sets up the app, including cores and middleware. The routes.py file defines four main endpoints, like uploading a file or triggering analysis. In services.py, we orchestrate the logic, loading the data, calling the analysis, and managing results. The analyzer.py file is crucial. It integrates logic, so all processing is done efficiently and safely.
Okay, so that was pretty good. So tell me something else.
Sure. Another key part is how we handle file uploads. When a user uploads an Excel, we pass it with pandas, and the backend processes each review row. After that, the results, like detected issues, are sent back to the front end so users can review them quickly.
So are you telling me that pandas see if the data is dirty in some way?
Exactly. With pandas values, duplicates, or any unexpected patterns. Once we clean the data, it's ready for analysis so we can trust the insights we get back.
Okay, how that panda do that? Be like go deep with that.
Sure. So with pandas, we first read the file using something like pd.readExcel. Once the data's in a data frame, we can run methods like df is null sum to see missing values, or df documented. We can filter rows, drop them, or even apply custom cleaning rules. After that, the clean data frame is ready for the rest of the analysis steps.
Okay, thanks.